back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this amazing golden eyes look for you guys for Diwali. This is what I came up with. I really love what I came up with, the eyes, with the whole look. And yeah, this is the outfit that I'm wearing. This is by Humeriacollection. I'm gonna show you guys this outfit. I really love this so much. This is super comfortable, like I really love it. And yeah, this is what the makeup look that I'm gonna teach you guys how you can wear this look on Diwali. And this is like a really perfect Diwali look because this is super blinky and super easy to create this. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, let's jump right into the video. So to prep my skin, what I usually go for is the Glow Essentials Moonlit Serum, which looks like this. And this is like a really amazing product. I really love this. And you can add this serum with your foundation, or you can apply it before your foundation. It really gives your skin flawless finish makeup look, and it hydrates your skin really well. So this serum is actually for oily skin and those who get pimple. So these oils are really customized according to your skin type. So I really love to apply this before my makeup. And if I found a foundation which is super dry for my skin, then I go on add 1 or 2 drops of this and I'm good to go. So now once you're done with this, I'm going to use their under eye serum, which is coffee under eye serum. And as you guys can see, I have used this a lot, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. So for the primer, I'm going to use the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And this one is really amazing. Like, this one is really good base for all my oily girls and those who has larger pores. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this because it's super dry. I'm just going to apply it on the area where I really need it, like over here, and a little bit on the areas where I feel like I have open pores. For the foundation, I'm going for my most favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Dream Satin Foundation. And I know it's almost over, but I really love this so much. So I'm just going to put a little bit more because this foundation is dewy foundation and it's not actually full coverage, it's medium coverage. So some people don't like full coverage, but I don't know why. Nowadays I really like medium coverage foundation. So this video is actually for those who don't actually like full coverage makeup. So now for the beauty sponge. This one is one of my favorite, and this one is by AOA. It's Beauty Soak by Beauty Soak. Beauty Soak actually sells all the affordable products. You can go and check their page out, but this one is one of my most favorite. And I'm just going to whip this a little bit with my Technique setting spray. That's all. And I'm just going to blend this into my skin, and you guys can see it has a really amazing coverage. Not that much full, but it still gives you a little bit of coverage to hide your pimple marks, your pores and everything. I'm just going to blend this. Like you guys can see, it's a perfect match for me, and I really love, like, this foundation is one of my favorites since I've started using makeup. You have to make sure that your face and your eyes, your neck, everywhere is same. You don't want to miss any place. यार ऐसे भूतिया नहीं लगनी है कि भाई कुछ जगह को रखा, कुछ जगह को छोड़ा. You guys can see it has given me such a flawless finish look. This is due to the serum that I have used under my foundation, so it's not looking cakey, it's not looking super dry. Still, it gives you a really amazing coverage. So if you want, you can go for concealer, but if you don't want, you can leave the concealer portion. But I want to go a little bit under my eyes. I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10 Light. Just going to apply a little bit under my eyes to hide those dark circles and give my face a little bit of fresh finish look. Because अभी जिम से आई हूँ यार, बहुत थक गई हूँ, but still I have to film this for you guys. Blogger's life is not super easy. They have to manage each and everything. So I'm just going to blend this with the same blender that we applied the foundation, and I'm going all over my eyes again. And if you guys want a room tour tutorial, do let me know. I'd love to show you guys my room, my makeup collection, and each and everything if you like it. There's a giveaway going on my Instagram. There's a 3 giveaway. Go check it out if you're interested. And yeah, that's all. So I'm just going now. Okay. To set my under eyes, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in shade 15 Light. I don't know why it's a little bit dark for me, but still, we're gonna work this. So I'm going to use this on my lids because I want to see. You can see now. It's a little bit dark for me. I don't know why. The areas where you feel like you're getting oil. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm just going to use blush, not contour, because most of my girls really like those blushes on their cheeks, so I'm gonna make it work like that. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Glow Essential Cheek Balm, which looks like this, and this is really pretty. As you guys know, I'm not a really huge fan of a blush, but still I'm gonna work today with this. I'm just going to take, ooh, seriously, this is way too much, but still I'm just going to put a little bit because that's way too much. I'm just going to blend this. Blending this is super hard for me on top of the powder and everything, but look, it blends like so amazingly. I love the Glow Essential Cheek Tint so much. I don't know about this. I'm gonna make it work. Don't you guys think it's way too much? So for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Glow Essential highlighter in the shade Dazzle. This is really pretty. I swear by God, I really love this highlighter so freaking much. So I'm gonna take the really Chotu Sa beauty blender and I'm just going to apply it right over here. And if you like, you can go over with the highlighter, but nowadays I like a really natural kind of highlighter, so that's why I'm going with this. A little bit is enough, but if you like way too much, you can go for it. Choice is yours. And on top of this, I like to go with another highlighter, which is Roseberry highlighter in the shade 04, and it has gel highlighter as well as powder highlighter. So with this brush, I'm just going to take my brush, tap off the excess and just go over it. As you can see, it gives you a really amazing finish. Because Diwali is all about glow. Now we are done with the base. I'm just going to set everything in the place by using the Technique setting spray, and this also you can get on Beauty Soak, and it's super strong, but it's really amazing. So now time for the eyes. I'm going to use the Dose of Color Friendication palette, which looks like this. This is what the palette looks like. Ooh. I'm going to take this light brown shade, this one. Take this brush tap off the excess, and okay, and just go on the outer portion. Let me just zoom it to you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I have some luck in my mind, so let's see. And I'm going to blend this shade with a clear brush, like so. We're just gonna use 2 to 3 shades, or maybe 1 shade, I'm not sure. So yeah, and this outfit that I'm wearing is by humeriacollection. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, and I'll show you the full outfit as well. Super comfortable, you guys, super colorful, super comfortable. And that's it. Holy shit, this is super amazing. Can you guys see this glitter? Holy moly, holy moly, it's amazing. The only drawback is that it's coming off, like it's not sticking really well. I tried a lot to stick that with the lash glue, it was not sticking, so I'm going to use the Beauty Gliss palette. I'm gonna use this glitter shade on top of that gold glitter. I don't know, I tried my best, but that was super dry and it was not sticking, so I'm just going to use this on top of the same gold glitter. It's a bit copper glitter, but these are sticking really well. I'm just going to stick this, and this is what it looks. And now I'm just going to take the deeper shade, this deeper shade, and I'm just going to apply it a little bit on my outer corner, like in here, and just blend it. And that's all. And I'm just blending the harsh edges. So you're just applying that brown eyeshadow on the outer C area, and you're just blending the harsh edges. That's all you're gonna do. And now I'm going to do the other eyes, and I'll be right back. I'm done with both the eyes, and it's looking stunning. So this is a really good Diwali night out look, which is so blingy yet so simple, and it looks really good with any outfit that you're gonna do. So to stick the glitter, this glitter, I don't know, I tried my best to make it stick onto my eyes, but it was not doing really well, so I used my own lash glue, but still it does a little bit good job. But I'm really loving this. So now I'm just going to apply mascara, and if you want you can add liner, but I don't want to add any liner. It looks amazing without any liner. Just this much. And doing this will make your eyes look bigger, and if you like to go over, you can go under your eyes full way, but I like to keep it halfway. And that's all. And that's all you're gonna do. I know this is really simple, but if you want to make it more simple, you can leave the glitter, but it's all about glitter, you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the Big Shot mascara on my lower lashes. So for the lashes, I'm gonna use 22. Apply just a little bit. Just this is what it looks. This shade is really pretty. It's a really pretty nude shade. And on top of this, I'm going with the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Feminist. This is what it looks. It smells so good. And these two combination is like die for. And yeah guys, that's all for the today's look. I hope you guys like it. I keep my hair to be really simple because no one has that much time to invest on their hairs during Diwali. So this is what it looks. You can go or just braid it, or you know, just go and twist it to just make sure that your earrings are looking, or maybe you're wearing a really beautiful necklace. You can go and do that, but I really love braiding my hairs like this and keeping it like this, and this is what it looks like. And yeah guys, that was all for today's tutorial, and I hope you guys loved it. Do let me know in the comment section below which other looks you want me to do. I would love to do that for you guys, and I really love this look so much. So yeah, and don't forget to check out my Instagram because there's a giveaway going on, 3 giveaways there, and you guys can go and enter whatever you want. So yeah, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comment down below what you like the most in this tutorial. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, do let me know as well. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video. Till then, take care, bye. I love you all.